Okay, here's all the information we've been given. We're in a theatre. The ratio of adults to children is 5:2. 3/4 of the children are sitting in stalls. 117 children are sitting in the circle. There are 2,600 seats in total, and we have to work out if there are people on more than 60% of the seats. Okay, where shall we begin? Well, look at these two. 3/4 of the children are in stalls and 117 children are in the circle. So that means that 117 is 1/4 of the children, okay? If 3/4 of the children are in the stalls, then 1/4 must be in the circle. So 117 children is 117 is 1/4 of the children, okay? Okay, so therefore, there must be 4 times 117 children in total, okay? Which is 468 children in total, okay? Good. So we've used these two. Now we can go to this one because we know that there are 468 children in total. And because we know the ratio of children to adults, we can work out the number of adults. So, ratios. The ratio of this to this is 2 to 5. So, to go from here to here, okay, what we do is divide by 2 and multiply by 5, okay? So in other words, we multiply by 5 and divide by 2. So we multiply by 5/2 from going from that side to that side. If you're not sure about that, the reason is, okay, you've got 5 to 2. You're looking for the scale factor. What do you have to multiply this number by if you're going from that side to that side, which we are? We want to know that one, so we're going from that to that. You ask yourself, what do I have to multiply this number by to turn it into that number, okay? And you multiply it by, the first thing is you divide by that to turn it into 1, because 2 times 2 is 1, and then you multiply it by 5, because that turns it into 5, okay? So that's how you work out the scale factor. So we have to do 468 times 5/2, and that gives us a number of adults in total, and that is 1170 adults total, okay? So that number there is 1170. Great. So we've got the total number of adults and total number of children. So add them together to get the total number of people. So therefore, total people is 1170 plus 468. And that is, too lazy to do it in my head, 1638. 1638. Good, okay, so we know the total number of people, and we know there are 2,600 seats. The question is that bigger than 60% of that? Okay, well, let's work out what 60% of 2,600 is. So, 60% of 2,600 is 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 times 260 is 1,560. Okay. So, the answer is yes. Are there people on more than 60% of the seats? Well, that is 60% of the seats, okay? And that is the total people. So yes, there are more people in seats than 60% of the seats. Yes. Boom. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like button, and it would be a massive help if you could subscribe. It would also be amazing if you could support me on Patreon. All the papers and everything are on my website, drjem.com, and I'm also on social media. Thank you.